We are describing lesson 6 of geography, manufacturing industries. In the previous video, we discussed about the different type of industries through the flow chart. Now, we will describe all these industries. First, classification on the basis of source of raw material. On the basis of source of raw material, first, agro-based industries. As the name is indicating, the industries which take raw material from agriculture, they are the agro-based industries like cotton industry, sugar industry, rubber industry. Mineral-based industries which take raw material or which use minerals in the form of raw material like iron and steel industry, cement plant, aluminium plant, petrochemical industries like refineries also. Second classification according to their role. According to the role, we can classify the industries into two types. First, basic or key industries. As the name is indicating, basic industries. The industries on which other industries depend. It means the industries such as iron and steel industry, heavy machines and tools industry, which provide machines to other industries. Such industries on which other industries depend, these industries are known as basic or key industries. Next, consumer industries, the industries which make product for the direct consumption for the consumers, such as sugar industry, paper industry, toothpaste industry, soap industry, butter industry, etc. Third, on the basis of capital investment, how much money has been invested? First, large scale. Large scale industries are those in which more investment has been done and investment limit more than 1 crore. That is known as large scale industries. In this industry, in each unit, large number of workers are employed. In the small scale industries, investment is less. Earlier it was 35 lakh, now it is up to 1 crore people and total number of workers are also less. Cottage industries, the industries in which only the family members work and industry opened with very few amount of money, mainly opened at home. Fourth, on the basis of ownership. Ownership means who is the owner of the industry, who has opened the industry, who is doing the management of the industry. First, public sector industry. Public sector industries are those which are owned and managed by government, like SAIL. There are so many iron and steel plants. Second, private industries, which are owned and managed by individual, such as TISCO, Dabur. Third, joint sector, the industries which are jointly run by the state and group of industries like Oil India Limited, Maruti. Cooperative sector industries are those which are owned and operated by producers or suppliers of raw material, workers or both. It means the industries which are opened by cooperative society, that is known as cooperative sector industry. For example, sugar industry in Maharashtra or in most of the south states of India, coir industry in Kerala. Fifth, on the basis of weight of raw material and weight of finished goods. There are the two type of industries. First, heavy industries. Heavy industries are those in which raw material is heavy as well as finished goods are also very heavy, such as iron and steel industry, heavy tools and machines industries. Light industry, in which raw material weight is also light and it produces the lightweight goods such as